Looky what I got today. Had to wait a couple weeks for it to get here. It was, I bought it from Walmart. It said like August 25th is when I bought it. And a few days later it said, you know, your shipment's leaving early or something, like congratulations or whatever, I don't know. And then it got delayed over Labor Day weekend. I was hopeful that I was gonna get it and be able to use it over Labor Day weekend, but that didn't happen. So anyway, got it today, and we're gonna open her up and show you what we got here.
He's gonna catch some toads. You're watching Predator bass fishing with Danny Rhodes. Whether he's ripping lips or unboxing it, he's doing everything under the sun. And you can catch it all here on Predator Bass Fishing.
All right, let's start unwrapping this bad boy. Got a thinner plastic on the outside. And then like a bubble wrap on the outside of it. I thought, oh boy, we're gonna have a bunch of crap to put together, but it doesn't look bad at all. They got the seat. Sitting in here. One zip tie there, I'll have to. It looked super wide. I mean, it's wider than I thought. It's a lot wider than my sit-in Pelican, which is awesome. Looks like one zip tie broke in travels. Boy, there's really not going to be much to putting this together at all. Got some manuals on there. Another zip tie just sitting there. Like you do have to do a little bit to the seat, but other than that, so got your nice handles. It's got 2 screws in it. I was thinking it had 1 on each. By some videos, it's really thick plastic on there. Feels great. It's hard to tell sometimes on videos, but that's a nice thick rubber piece that really helps keep that sealed good. I watched a video the other day. A guy got a new boat and he said it was full of water already, which thankfully mine's dry as could be. So that feels good. That feels like, you know, a nice, safe place to put stuff. I mean, everybody shows you that. It's good for your GoPro. I'm not sure how that's going to work for me. I don't want something real close to me. I mean, that's 3 feet away. I guess if it's on a like a flexible thing, I could make it a little bit farther away from me, but I may mount something up here where, you know, kind of like when I'm out in the canoe, you know, it'd be about right here on me where I could get like waist up, get good hook sets and stuff. Maybe if it's down here too, I could get, you know, a release and good releases to the side of me, and, you know, the whole rod when I'm fighting one might be better than right here. That's pretty close in my opinion. So anyway, it's got your stand-up strap. Here's something else. A lot of times it's hard to see, but these look really nice. You know, your boat, your seat will launch in here, will sit in there, or back here when you're going up higher. But here's your upper ledge, there's your lower one. You got your tackle storage on the sides there. These tracks look a little bit different than, they're just a different color. They didn't have this, Walmart, this was the only color they had. So, and I'm not mad at it. Ooh, look there. We have got a dent in the kayak. That's not good. That is not good. Dang it. Looks like they drug it around there. Man, that sucks. That sucks for something that you spent $529, or yeah, $529 and $125 shipping and taxes. Yeah, that sucks. Dang it. Dang it, dude. Oh, boy. That's why you just, might be why you just go to freaking Dick's and pick one up. God, that sucks. You gotta be kidding me. Huh? I mean, it doesn't look like it's, other than dented in. I'm not gonna do too much crazy stuff with it, but I'm gonna look. Those look nice and deep. They're hard to tell sometimes on videos and stuff. Scuffer things, you gotta pull them the rest of the way out. Looks like I'm probably gonna get some rubber golf balls to put down in there on those, but most of them are knocked out. Well, that one's, they're knocked out a little bit of the way. You gotta do the rest yourself, evidently. Let's see how this looks back here. Other than that dent there. Man, that's the thing when you're getting it sent from Tennessee or wherever to Indiana. When who knows how long it's set in storage somewhere or whatever. But dang it. Here's one of the scuffer things. Just grab it and turn it, looks like. Get that off of there. I saw a guy said keep these because it's the same plastic. If you ever have to patch something, if you ever have to patch something, there's the wheel and the keel. Make sure nothing else is damaged. Maximum occupancy, 350 pounds. One occupant, 11.6. All right, I put the seat together, and I did the, I tried out the stand assist thing, but as far as possible damages and shipping, I mean, they might be like this, just going and picking one up at, if a Walmart did have it in stock, or if, you know, you went to Dick's or somewhere and picked one up, you know, might have the same things where they have a little imperfection like that, which it sucks. And it might, you know, maybe in the heat it'll come out. I'm kind of doubting it. And then one other thing I noticed here, just looking through real quick, is there's some spots here where it's kind of been rubbed up against something there, and I'm zoomed way in so it looks bigger than it is. It's only the size of my finger, and a little one here, and a little one here, but nothing major. I do need to look through the bottom, but look over the bottom of the boat and just make sure. But I'm pretty happy with everything. It's a nice freaking yak. I've watched videos from Headwaters Kayaks. Love watching that guy on there. And I don't know, maybe worth going into Walmart and saying, hey, got this thing, just took it out of the box and spent $700 on it with shipping. It's got that dent on it. I don't know. I'm not sure what they'd say. But overall, you know, maybe not worth saying anything. I'm kind of short. I've got these foot pegs on 4.5. Looks like on each side. I'll do a little stand-up trial here. So I got those on 4.5. 4 might be better, but that's kind of stretched out. Lean back just a tiny bit. Feels really good. Got your handles on the sides. This might be a little long for me, but kind of wrapping my hand around it one time, then I can kind of get it with the other hand. But we're in a wide base, straight up. Boom, got one. So we'll see how that goes. Should be fun. With standing up, you almost need a camera behind you that's, you know, up quite a bit, but that's just something I'm gonna have to mess around with, is camera mounts. You know, maybe if, I don't know, I don't want them in a place where they're too hard to get to too. If one's in the front there, I can get to it if I had to. Walk up to the front and mess with it easier than if it's in the back, I'm sure. So anyway, really happy, excited to get out on this thing. Like I said, the dent sucks, obviously, but I think we can live with it. But ended up being $6.99 with the shipping and everything from Walmart and tax. So maybe I should have just said, hey, I'm going to a Dick's, pick it up myself. But I didn't really have a good way to go get it. So I just said, screw it, I'll bite the shipping and take my chances on it arriving in good condition. But I'm happy. I'm happy with it, ready to get out and catch some fish for you guys out of it. That'll be the next video. Okay, one more thing I almost forgot. I got a $29 paddle from Amazon, and it's really firm on the, whatever you call those, blades or whatever. It's adjustable. It's ocean broad. You can adjust this to where you're offset instead of your blades being both flat like that. I like them flat like that, but you can offset them if you want. And you can also go between, I think it's 84 and 96 inches with these adjustable. Right now it's as close as it could be, but I can move it out all the way there. So it looks like another probably 8 or 10 inches between this notch here and, move your hand real quick, and that one. So they're all about 2.5 inches apart. So
This one?
So I think I can go from 86 to 96 or something like that. So anyway, and you have it backwards. Turn it the other way. This one on this side, it goes on the other side. Because when you go through the water, because look, when you go through the water, you want it like this. You want that little flat part down where it's even with the water. And longer might be better. You don't have to come up so high with the other side. Might be less work. So I'm thinking the 96 one might be, or, you know, extending it out to as far as possible might be better. So anyway, just wanted to add that in. Thanks for watching, guys.